Winter's quite bland, but we want to try and express how colourful it can be. Hey, we're in Waseley Hills Country Park today, exploring around the country park, seeing what features there is. It's cloudy with breaks of blue sky and a little bit of sunshine every now and again. It's quite muddy today, it's quite churned up as you can see down here, and we'll see what we can take. Let's go. Winter's quite bland, but we want to try and express how colourful it can be, or what winter does have to offer. So I've got a nice shot of the berries, nice contrasting colour of the green and the red. Try to close up in on this. We'll see what it looks like, and you can see in the edit, see if it's any good with the contrasting colours. And today the two lenses I've brought is the wide angle and my fixed lens, which is a 35mm, just to see the scenery, what it has to offer. At the top of here, in a short while, we'll see a nice view. I think it's called a toposcope. Nice and fresh, just to get yourself out the house. It's good enough getting out, don't have to take photos all the time, but it's nice, got a bit of fresh air, bit of mindfulness. All these beech trees were planted for the Queen's Jubilee, Silver Jubilee. I'm going to change my 35mm for the second part to wide angle lens. Always use this to get any dust off or rain.
We've actually kind of done one trail into another trail. We started doing the skylark, and then we deviated onto the rabbit, then came back onto the skylark, then done the skylark backwards, and then we've jumped back onto part of the rabbit.
Yeah, we've made it up, but that's the joy of just exploring, see what you can capture. But we're going to do the T-junction and see where it takes us from there.
So basically next time we
next time we come,
we'll do the green one.
We'll do the green one straight away.
But it needs to be nicer weather.
We need to come back when the bluebells, because this will all be a carpet of bluebells.
Still a bit of life on the leaves, it's the orange, but there's some green and orange contrasts, which is quite nice with a wide angle. Onward. Quite like the gnarliness of this tree branching out and irregular. But it's quite light dark on it, so I'll see what the After Effects will do and see if we can edit it out, because it appears quite dark on the camera on the screen, so we'll see. The rain's coming in, you can see it. Rain is coming. Oh, zoomed in. Camerawoman is tired out today. Had a workout the camerawoman has. So it was a nice fresh walk to clear those cobwebs, to get exercise and simply enjoying the local area that we live in. So it helps us to reset for the week ahead, getting ourselves ready, refreshed, minds clear and ready for a fresh week ahead. Hopefully you enjoyed this little video today, little landscape adventure vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye.